Today, I will show you how you can use ChatGPT 4.0 for graphical visualization of data. First, we need some demo data. Let's generate demo data using ChatGPT 4.0. Generate dummy data of electricity bill for previous 3 years. It's taking a little while. Now we have the random data. Let's generate a graphical representation of this data using ChatGPT 4.0 AI analysis. I already copied the prompt, and you can copy the prompt from the description. Prompt: generate creative graphical representation of this data. It's also taking a little while. Here is the final result. Let's generate a bar chart for the same data. It's looking good. You can do more creative things with this. Thanks for watching.